All right, guys, we're almost at the end of our Harry Potter cooking series. Tonight, the Deathly Hallows Part 1. And we're doing a really cool kind of Scottish English dish. Let's light these candles up. Lumos. Woo! All right, so tonight I kind of chose a traditional Scottish dish, which would be mince and tatties, which is ground beef with onion and carrots, and it has like a light gravy sauce, normally mashed potatoes, and then a side of peas. Tonight we're gonna change it up because that's how we do it here at the house. And we are going to do a jacket potato and basically pour the mince over the potato. So traditional kind of, I guess. It's just something I wanted to do. Nicole thought it would be fun. So let's get into cooking. It's pretty simple, basic. We're doing the potatoes in the oven, so it is gonna take about an hour on those. The beef takes about 25-30 minutes, and then you're set. All right, so I've done a little bit of olive oil, light Mediterranean sea salt just on the outside of them, and then wrapped them up in tin foil, aluminum foil, and we're gonna put these in the oven for about an hour at 400. All right, so we've just diced up some fresh organic carrot, and we're just using a sweet onion. I like the taste with the red meat. And then tonight we went with this organic Malbec from Chile. Pretty good, tasty, not too expensive, so it was good. And now we're gonna saute the meat and then add this. It takes about 30 minutes and we'll go over what the preps is. All right, the peas are just simmering, just started those, look at this. It's just cooking here. I wanna get those carrots nice and soft. They do take about 20-25 minutes. Depends on how thick you cut them. But man, this just brings me back to the days in Scotland. My grandpa would make this, and it just tastes so good. The meat, the carrot, and the onion all together, fantastic. All right, we are in our finished dining room. Finally got the chairs and the table, and it looks beautiful, the whiskey cabinets. Perfect time. We've got our Bordeaux now, and we're ready to do the jacket potato with mince. Let's go. All right, there it is. Mince and tatties with the peas. We got the Bordeaux. I've got the Fort Mason brown sauce. Nicole's just waiting to come in. Cheers, guys. Enjoy the Harry Potter Part 1 movie tonight. Let's dig in.